Awards, can you see them all? Cannes, Child Period. I have an award-winning person next to me, Ubasi. How are you?
Multi-award winning.
Multi-award. Did you hear that?
Yes.
She just won Best Collaboration Song, Gwelanga.
Yes.
How do you feel?
Yo, angas.
Yo, actually I ran with her. I was there in spirit. Oh my gosh, congratulations, first of all.
Thank you.
What does this mean to you?
It means meleng because I was done. I was like,
What do you mean you were done?
I'm always like, sing right. But then, but when things like these happen, I'm like, okay, maybe people really like my music,
Yeah.
you know, because futhi enye into ulento ukuthi people know the songs and not the face.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Real. But
Bese
you,
ama bookings our booking because bazingoma so i-DJ izoyidlala.
Yeah.
Why does
Exactly.
iyangithola iyangilimaza.
but I mean, umuntu ukuthi like there by TikTok you communicate with us, you know, you do videos that like give us a personal interaction with you. That should give you exposure nengoma zakho. But I mean, you were up against people songs that were amazing.
Yes.
Billy Marung was one of them. Wishy Wishy was one of them. Scooter was one of them.
Yes.
Did you feel some type of way, or were you expecting you knew it was yours?
Hayi bokudumba isifuba. Mangilo ngiboni yebo lapho ngithi yer. Ngiboni
Billy
Billy
Marung.
Marung yer. Yathi wishi ngathi
Yo, kabza wetang.
ngazinwaya umqhoqho. But like I'm so happy.
Now we are happy for you as Yana Lyrics. Congratulations, you deserve it. Thank you. Please give a shout out to Yana Lyrics.
Shout out to Yana Lyrics kunini ngifuna i-interview. Ngaze ngayithola baba ishuba.
Thank you, Mercy.